Hey, this is Dennis. Today we'll be reviewing Einstart-S desktop 3D printer. Einstart-S desktop 3D printer, developed by Shining 3D. It's a second generation desktop 3D printer from Shining 3D. Einstart-S is designed for personal or home use. Features an easy operation, dazzling look, unique one-press printing design, meets all the needs of 3D printing. Any user can operate the printer within 10 minutes and print their first 3D model just for fun. LED operation screen can be used to control the printer without connecting to the PC. It has a full metal framework, ensures good print quality. Colorful front acrylic panel makes the printer looks dazzling. Small body but big print envelope, 6.4 by 6.4 by 6.4 inches. And this is priced under $500. For more 3D printing reviews from Dennis, please subscribe to this channel and or sign up for our newsletter. Links are in the description box below. Once again, thanks for joining us and have a great day.